an adventurer.
Take a gander at this little princess.
Oh no.
Steady, steady.
Nice shot! Oh hey, you suck!
Piss. I'm coming for you.
Bonk!
Abort! Abort! Fire! 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 Ah!
Hey, who's on fire now?
Holy doody. Spies. Bloody useless.
Bang! I'll make it look easy.
Fan-bloody-tastic! Wuss! Oof!
Diagnosis? You suck!
Who are you and where did you come from?
What are you looking at? I am a horned nightmare!
Silver.
What's the matter? You freaking stupid?
Yes, I am.
Okay, this does not look good here. This sucks! How's that feel, wimp? Oh, what, you gonna cry? You gonna cry now? Drink it in, pal. That's how failure tastes.
Thanks, but she needs it much more.
Freaking unbelievable. Oh, man. I am gonna screw that wizard up. You are terrible.
Are you too?
No. Is that all you got, moron? You wimps suck. How's the weather over there, dumbass?
Kill me.
Oh, it's magic time. Size Melis tomorrow. Repeat after me. I'm dead. Oh, man. Classic Scout.
Oh, we might have been able to get her out of here and save her.
Can't stop the magic, dumbass. Man, I saw those guys in the way in. This does not seem competitive.
Yes, I think I saw one. He was strong.
What do they got? 6 guys? It's not enough. Spoilers, but we're gonna win this. Which one of us is taking flank? Am I flanking?
I'll go too. With you.
We are screwed.
I can perform the miracles of healing and holy light.
I hate
Only
doctors.
3 times, so I can cast 2 more spells in here.
Ooh, your gun shoots medicine. It's intimidating.
What are you doing to him?
Oh, you know what would hit the spot? Brains. They're delicious. Hey, we make a good team.
I'll try. We have to go save her.
You sissified maggot scum have just signed your death warrant.
Watch a winner in action, pal. Oh, man, just a blur. Maybe next time. At this rate, they're gonna need way more
Damn
than
it.
6 guys.
Do you have an ability that lets you see in the darkness?
I spec'd these guys earlier. They were all over the place. Frankly, I'm not impressed.
That's insane. How much have you trained?
Depth perception, pal. Look into it.
You're leaving the sword?
Nobody saw us lose that one, right? I got a bucket of chicken, and I'm here to kick ass. And I'm all out of chicken, so I lied about the chicken. Would you kindly move your ass?
Right. Yes, sir.
Okay, they got lucky once. Nobody gets lucky twice, though. It's impossible. Let's win this game.
Okay.
Do it, Doc. Do it.
Hear me, O merciful Earth Mother. Protect us and bless us with holy light.
Nobody likes wizards, you hear me? You're doomed to die alone.
The magic's all around me. Ah!
I'm a freaking blur here. No. Can't hear what ain't there. Catch this. Nice catch, Knucklehead. This way, Doc.
Okay.
Run, coward! Here I come!
Note to self, you are the best at exercise. You morons are about to catch a real beat.
Merciful Earth Mother.
Yeah!
Go forward.
I will kill you with bare hands! Ah, this is bad! Ah! Ooh, hit me! I dare you!
Yeah, you're real scary.
There will be others coming for us, but I'm all out of spells.
It's starting to bore me how much you suck.
Cannonball!
Think fast, Chuckle Nuts.
Incoming!
Yo, if you didn't want me to kill you, you should have said something.
I'm burning!
Yeah, we're doing pretty good.
What's that?
No, wait. Are you freaking kidding me? Where's the kaboom? There was supposed to be an earth-shattering kaboom.
But the girls, what if they get burned too?
What the hell was that crap? Where's the kaboom? There was supposed to be an earth-shattering kaboom. What happened?
Are you going in there again?
No way.
I'm back! You
Hard to stab a guy in the back when he's beating your freaking head in, huh? You knuckleheads ain't even worth the effort. Bonk. Yo, heads up. Way to duck. Hey, Houdini! Where you hiding? Yeah, you better hide, you wand-waving moron. 1, 2, 3. Woo! You know what to do. Hey, Knucklehead, I'm talking to you. I am hard as a rock. Boom! Butt stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
I won't hurt you again.
Remember me? Yeah, you do. Pop quiz. How long does it take to beat a moron to death? Sorry, time's up. You're dead. If you order now, I'll throw in a second beating, absolutely free. We are gonna break this thing.
Ah!
A secret door?
Come on, Bet. Let's go introduce you to some skulls. Okay, Bet, it's all on us now. Technically, there's 5 other guys, but I can't hit people in the head with them, so it's you and me, Bashy. Just winning another match. No big whoop. Big muscles? Check. Scary head? Check. All right, yeah, let's do this. Hey, look at my feet.
Are you going to kill them?
We waiting for permission here or what? Come on, let's do this! Am I the only one here who wants to win? Who wants some good times? Who wants a headbutt? Yeah.
But what if there was a good goblin? They might exist.
Nope. Moron. Man, your skull's so soft. You make this easy. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hit you. No, wait. Yeah, I did. Oh, yeah. Conga times. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah. I'm dancing. Hey, is somebody keeping track of my heads batted in? You guys notice anything new about me? Specifically the top part of my head? Yeah, it's a super scary hat. No big deal. It's no problem. I do this all the time. I could do this for money. I don't, but I could. Yeah, hey. I wanna be the very best, like no one ever was. To catch them is my real test, and to train them is my cause. I will travel across the land, searching far and wide. Each Pokemans to understand the power that's inside of them's. Pokemans, gotta catch 'em all. It's you and me, pal. I know it's my destiny. Oh, you're my best friend in a world we must defend. Pokemans, gotta catch 'em all. Heart so true. Our courage will pull us through. You teach me and I'll teach you. Pokemans, gotta catch 'em all. Gotta catch 'em all. Pokemans. Yeah. Hey, I was just getting started.